Good morning. Today we are going to be adding a resume to our Microsoft Word document. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing that you're going to do is you're going to go up and you're going to click on File and you're going to click New. When you do that, it brings up all these online templates that you can use. And so we're going to go ahead and, as you can see at the top, it says Suggested Searches. We have business, cards, flyers, letters, education, resumes, and cover letters. So we want to click on the resumes and the cover letters. Once you click on there, you can see that there are lots of different resume templates in here. Once you choose one of the resumes that you want to use for your template, go ahead and click on that. I'm just going to click on the first one that says Chronological Resume. And then you're going to click on the word Create over here on the side. Then what will happen is it'll begin to download your template into your Microsoft Word document. As you can see, it folded in nicely into this document that I already have open. Then you are going to go ahead and go through and change all of the information that's in there. So we have first name, last name, address, phone, your email. If you have any of this stuff, you would put on it. If you don't, you delete it. Also, when you do your resume, there are going to be certain things that I'm requiring to have in it. You will need to have your name, of course, at the top of the page. You will need to add your address, your telephone, and your email. Then you also need to have your objective. Right here, where I'm circling right now, this is the area where you write about your objective. And your objective, you can make it pretty general. It needs to be about what type of career that you would like to get in the future. And so here's where you type your objective. You then need to have education, skills, and experience. The one it has activities on the bottom, that's good. You can fill that in too if you want. Now you do not have to choose this one. I just happen to choose this one and pull it in. But again, whatever one you choose, you need to make sure that your name is at the top, that you have your objective, and it can say objective. In this case it doesn't, but this is where the objective would be. And you need to have experience, education, and skills. Then what you're going to do is you're going to save that in the shared document folder and name it Resume with your name in it. And that is all.